Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of email and showing you how to create a Gmail account. Whether you are new to email or looking for a fresh start, Gmail offers a user-friendly interface and powerful features that make it a popular choice. So let's get started and create your own Gmail account. Now, let's jump into the step-by-step process of creating a Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website at gmail.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, locate and click on the Create Account button. A registration form will appear. Fill in your first and last name and click on Next button. After enter your name, enter your date of birth and gender, like date, month, year, etc. After enter your name, write desired email address and click on Next button. Create a strong password and confirm it and click the Next button. Make sure to follow the guidelines for a secure password. Enter your mobile phone number to verify your account. Gmail will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to proceed. In case you ever forget your password or need to recover your account, add recovery information such as a secondary email address or security questions. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions of using Gmail, then click on the Next button to proceed. And there you have it. Creating a Gmail account is quick and easy. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of Gmail's efficient email management, ample storage, and seamless integration with other Google services. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and helpful tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and happy emailing with your brand new Gmail account.